What if I told you an AI influencer could make videos, talk to your audience, and promote offers, all while you sleep? Exploding head. This isn't sci-fi anymore, it's real, and it's called InfluAIcer AI. It creates talking digital influencers for you in seconds. No camera, no editing, just pure AI magic. Let's test it right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I review the best new AI tools and money-making software online. If you love discovering new ways to earn using AI, hit that subscribe button and drop a thumbs up, because this one's wild. Be honest, creating content every day is hard work. Filming, editing, and staying consistent is exhausting. And not everyone wants to show their face on camera. That's why so many creators are turning to AI video automation. But until now, none looked human enough to feel real. InfluAIcer changes that. So what exactly is InfluAIcer AI? It's a new AI platform that lets you create realistic, talking digital influencers in any niche. You type a script, choose a face, voice, and background, and InfluAIcer generates a professional video in seconds. You can post it on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or use it for affiliate marketing. Imagine having 10 AI influencers working for you 24/7. That's the promise. Let's create one together. Step 1. Log into the dashboard, clean and beginner-friendly. Step 2. Choose an AI influencer. There are tons: male, female, business, lifestyle, etc. Step 3. Type my script. Hey guys, this is my AI influencer introducing InfluAIcer AI. Step 4. Pick a voice. Let's try the US natural accent. Step 5. Click Generate Video. And boom, collision. In under a minute, my AI influencer is ready. It talks, blinks, and even moves naturally. You can download it or post directly. Honestly, it's impressive how real it looks. Here, what stands out for me. White heavy checkmark, no camera or mic needed. Perfect for faceless creators. White heavy checkmark, multi-niche support. Works for fitness, business, crypto, motivation, and more. White heavy checkmark, fast results. Create videos in 60 seconds. White heavy checkmark, great for affiliate marketers and YouTube automation. White heavy checkmark, one-time price. No expensive monthly subscriptions. Now, it's not perfect, a few small things. Crossmark, some avatars still look slightly robotic on long sentences. Crossmark, backgrounds are simple, not cinematic. Crossmark, you'll still need your own script ideas. But compared to other AI video apps, this one's miles ahead in realism and ease. Creators are already using InfluAIcer AI to launch faceless YouTube channels, promote affiliate offers, and even sell custom videos to clients. Some are earning from AI influencer brands without ever filming themselves. With AI automation exploding in 2025, this is the perfect time to jump in early. So here's my honest verdict. InfluAIcer AI is perfect if you want to create fast, realistic videos and grow online, without showing your face. It's beginner-friendly, powerful, and surprisingly affordable. If you're serious about building content or passive income in 2025, this tool can help you get there. All right, if you're ready to let AI become your influencer, here's what to do next. Backhand index pointing down. Backhand index pointing, right-click the first link in the description right now and grab your copy of InfluAIcer AI before the price goes up. You'll get instant access to create unlimited talking influencers for any niche: business, beauty, motivation, crypto, everything. Brain use them to post viral videos, promote affiliate products, or automate your YouTube channel. Collision, don't wait. This is a limited time launch deal with bonuses worth hundreds. Click that link. Test InfluAIcer AI today and start earning from your own AI influencers. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more AI tools that can help you build your digital income.